I'd like to prepare for a trip to Manila tomorrow, so I'll show you how I would prepare. So this is my brief, the one that I'd be wearing tomorrow on my trip to Manila. So there. And then we have this, which is the pair of jeans I'd be considering wearing to Manila tomorrow. Then we probably have this shirt, which is what I might be wearing to Manila tomorrow. Then these socks, which I'll be wearing, and then I'll show you, last but not least, the shoes I'd be wearing to Manila tomorrow. So, guys, good night. So we're on our way to the car, and then eventually we're gonna be on the way to Manila today. Buckle your seats as we begin our journey to Manila.
May sipa pa yun, ha? Everything else from here. Sayang spare. Oh, wait. Not recovered from that last one.
So we just came back from the bowling alley, and now we're about to go do other things. So I just came back home from the trip. This was a very eventful and very active day. There were a lot of activities. Anyways, good night guys. Goodbye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.